Hi everyone. We use cd command a lot when working on Linux terminals. We have created a version of it which is cdd, which is cd command with boosters. Okay, so it works normally as you would think like a cd command. So I can go to cd data, or if I want to go to git folder, I can do cdd git. Okay, and I do CDD Trinity. So it looks like a normal thing. Okay, but now where its functionality comes into play. Uh, Within this Trinity Python, I have three folders: Bash script, Street View, and Trinity Python code. Say I want to go to this bash underscore script folder. So if I say cddSCR, it will directly take me to the bash scripts folder. So if you see, we don't have to give the complete name over here. We can just give the bash scripts. Or if I do dot dot, it will again behave normally like a cd command. And if I have to go to this Trinity Python code, I can say cddpyt. So it matches and it has found one match. It will directly take me to this Trinity Python code. So if I do pwd, I've reached that directory. I don't need to type everything. Now here if you see, there are few files and few directories, and if I see the complete structure of directories, so these are some nested directories. Within source I have Trinity Python. Now say for example I have to cd into this docutils folder, so I can simply say cd doc. Okay, it has found it and it has taken me to that directory. Okay, so it searches 5 directories deep to find for a match, and if a match is found, it will directly cd to that directory. So you don't need to give the entire name src trinity python debug utils. That is not required. Okay, if I want to go back again to my previous folder, I can say cdd -1. It will take me to the previous location where I was, which is this trinity python underscore code. Okay, so the directory searching is case insensitive. So say for example, if I go to this folder using any say d slash data slash scripts, so I know within this folder I have something called as analog clock. Okay, so if I do cdd, it has found two matches, not one. Okay, so if it is a single match, it will directly go inside the directory like it did for docutils. But if there are more than one matches, it will list the matches. Now I want to go to this version which says shell underscore scripts. So I can press the up arrow key to get the previous command and type 2 to go to the second match. So here if you see, it has taken me to this shell scripts analog clock folder. Okay, now I work on this directory very often, so I can bookmark this directory as cdd-b analog. So this will save it in the analog. Okay, now if I am into any other folder, say I'm working on some tasks, I'm in some folder over here, and I have to jump to my analog folder. So I can say cdd and I need to jump to analog. Okay, so if you see, it has directly taken me to that particular folder, and if I want to list all my bookmarks, I can just say cdd-b. This will list all the bookmarks. So there are currently two bookmarks, which is tp underscore bash and analog. So currently I'm in this folder. If I want to go to this folder trinity python slash bash scripts, I can say jump to tp underscore bash. So it will take me to this trinity python slash bash scripts folder. Okay, so this makes your traversing of folders very much easier. Okay, it does the same thing that cd does. It traverses the folders, but it makes it much more powerful. Another function is if you want to list the previous directories which I have visited, so it keeps a history of the last 30 jumps. So you see this list over here, and you can directly jump to any one of these. Like say for example, if I want to jump to this trinity python underscore code, I can say cdd-j to number 25. Okay, so it takes me to that particular folder. Another common activity which we perform and navigating directories is going to the parent folders. Okay, so here if you see within src I have this trinity python doc utils. If I want to go up to src directory, I can say cdd -p src, so it will take me up to the parent src. Or if I want to go 4 levels up, I can say cd-p4. So is it like, it is like entering cd dot dot 4 times. Okay, so this cdd is implemented completely in bash. There is no programming language like c or python whatsoever. It is completely as a bash function, and you can just add it to your bash underscore rc to get this functionality. So if you want this code, you can reach out to the trinity python team. Thanks.